These riddle videos gets millions of views on YouTube, TikTok or Instagram Reels, and people earn thousands of dollars every single month from them. In this video, I will show you how to make this kind of videos within 5 minutes. And the best part is you can apply this technique I will be sharing to other popular content, like those trendy eye-catchy puzzle sorts where you have to find the hidden words. Or you can create engaging memory test videos. These videos gets millions of views on YouTube. In fact, you can use these strategies for virtually any type of videos. You can try your hand at guess the correct shadow or those addictive find the odd one out challenges. The examples are endless. So get ready to elevate your content creation game and captivate your audience. Now I will open ChatGPT and ask, give me 50 riddles and their answers in a table format. Add a confused or question emoji at the end of each question. Also, add emojis to the answer if they are suitable. It replied, sure. Here are 50 riddles along with their answers in a table format. So it gave us 28 riddles at once with answers and different emojis. But we need 50. So I will click on continue generating. Okay, we have got our riddles. Perfect, neat and clean. Marvelous. Now we can use Canva to make videos. Go to Canva and click on the video tab. Here you will find various options for different sizes. For this tutorial, I will choose mobile videos, which will work well for all social media platforms. Since we are creating a riddle video, let's go to the tab labeled elements and search for riddle. Then click on videos to only see video results. You need to find a background that relates to the video you are making. In this case, this puzzle theme video is looking awesome. So I will click to add it. Then I will click on position. Rotate it by 90 degrees and drag the edges to fit into the screen. Now we need to make the video a bit longer. So we have more spaces for our riddle. You can make it longer or shorter by changing how fast it plays. Just click on the playback option at the top and adjust the speed. To add overlay, follow these steps. Press the letter R on your keyboard to create a rectangle. Resize the rectangle until it covers the entire canvas. Click on the color option at the top and choose black. Locate the shade icon and click on it to adjust the transparency. Set it to around 45 or a similar value. Let's move on to adding the text. Click on the text option on the left sidebar and click on the first option to add a heading. Drag the heading to your desired position and enter the topic such as riddles and answers. Change the font by clicking on the drop-down menu and selecting your preferred font, like Archivo Black. Increase the font size to approximately 64. Expand the text border and move it upward as needed. To make it eye-catching, click on the effect and choose background. You can adjust the color and other settings if desired. Then duplicate the header by clicking on the plus icon or pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. Drag the duplicate downward. Remove the background of the duplicate header by going to the effects and selecting none. This box will serve as the riddles. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first riddle and paste it into the box. To enhance the appearance of the text, follow these next steps. Increase the font size to make it bigger and more prominent. Move the text upward to the desired position. Click on color and change to something like pink for better visibility. Consider adding effect like shadow or outline. We are choosing the outline effect and I will choose black as the outline color as it will make our text more visible. I will now increase the thickness of outline to around 160 or a similar value. Following these steps will help you to achieve a larger, more noticeable text with improved visibility. To add a timer to your video, you can choose a progress bar. Start by adding a rectangle, then scale and position it to fill the starting and ending points. Move it downwards and change the color to red or a similar shade. Now let's proceed to adding an answer box. We can duplicate the existing text by clicking on the plus icon and then drag the duplicate text downward. After that, you can copy the answers from ChatGPT and then paste it into the box. To make the answer box more visible, you can adjust the text border by dragging or scaling it up using one of the handles. Now let's move on to adding some animations. We'll start with the heading. Click on Animate at the top. You can experiment with various options. For this example, I will choose Pop Animations and keep it on Enter mode. Next, select the questions and apply animation to it. I will go ahead with Ascend Animation and set it reflect on both enter and exit. For the answers, the burst animations seems more visually appealing, so I will leave it on enter only. As for the progress bar, we will apply a whipping animation. Additionally, I will reduce the speed to allow viewers ample time to answer the riddle. If we play the video now, you can notice that everything appears simultaneously, which isn't something that we want. To adjust the timing and the position of the progress bar, follow these steps. Click on the progress bar and select Show Timing from menu. Pause the video at the desired starting point for the progress bar. Then drag the handle from start to playhead position to set the start time. Play the video to verify that the progress bar start loading correctly. Pause the video at the desired stopping point for the progress bar. Then drag the handle from the end to meet the current position. Make sure the position where the progress bar stops aligns with when the questions disappears and the answer will be revealed. Click on the questions and drag the handle at the end to meet the playhead. Then do for the same for the answers. To center the answer, click on it and drag it upward. Finally, play the video to see the adjusted timing and positioning in action. It looks good. And the next step is go to the app section on the left and search for bulk create. Click on the first result and choose enter data manually. You first need to clear the table with the trash icon below. Then we can go back to ChatGPT and copy the data. Make sure you highlight the heading and drag downward to copy all the 50 riddles. Then on Canva, click on the first box with T icon and paste it here. To connect the data, click on the question. Right click or click on the three dots and choose Connect Data. Select the corresponding value, which is the riddle. Repeat the same process for answers and choose the second value, which represents the answer. Click on Continue to see the riddles. You can unselect any unwanted riddles using the checkbox. Then click on Generate 50 pages to proceed. By the way, if you found value in this video, then please give this video a thumbs up. If you are new, consider subscribing to Create with SD for more awesome tutorials like this. The generation of 50 pages is complete. And you can now edit anything on the page. Add some emojis or you can add pictures if you want. It may look like it overlapping, but the final video doesn't look that way. To download the final video, click on the download option located at the upper right corner. You can select each page individually for downloading. Now to change backgrounds, go to each page and find a video that you want to use, like one with question mark. Drag the chosen video to the background, but as you know that there is an overlay on the page, so it won't replace the background automatically. Instead, click on the video clip on the left and then select the three dots and choose Replace Background. Repeat this step for each page to change the background accordingly. And that's it. Now you have 50 riddle video clips that are made for you easily under 5 minutes. But if you want a more easy way to start a YouTube channel without even making YouTube videos, then watch this video right here. Now I will meet you in the next video.